ready for this towel reveal, guys?
Yes.
Here we go. Here we freaking go.
What's up, my beautiful babes? So, this is gonna be a fun video. I don't know why I haven't thought of this video idea sooner. I mean, bad ombres have been a problem for the last few years, and I have seen a lot of DIY ombres walking the streets, and girl, they are bad. Like, I can't even look at them sometimes. It just hurts me really deep down inside. It really hurts. It is like a pet peeve of mine to watch people that don't know how to do an ombre do an ombre. Because they're pretty difficult, and it takes a lot of artistic talent to make a very nice ombre. It's one of the more difficult things to do within the hair coloring realm. So people think it's super easy, like you just look at their hair and you're like, oh, well, you just paint pieces. Like, no, there is a lot to it, I swear. So, girl, I am ready. Let's watch these girls do some ratchet at-home ombres. Let's get it started. Okay, so our first girl is named Chelsea Hulbert. I think that's how you say it. What's up, Chelsea? She's about to do a DIY ombre hair fail, and I am beyond ready for it.
Hey guys, what's up?
Hey, Chelsea.
Chelsea here. I am so freaking excited. I'm so excited, you guys. The time has finally come. The time is finally here,
we got a box in her
guys.
hand.
I'm gonna dye my hair. Weird stage where it's still a little bit ombre, but it's like barely anything. So I'm about
Just
to
the
take
tip,
it up a notch.
if you know.
And I am about to ombre this freaking shiz. Okay, I'm about to ombre it up in here. And I'm pumped. Can you tell? Can you tell?
Ombre it up, girl.
Guys,
Give me that ombre, honey.
I'm really stoked. I've been wanting different hair for a while now, and I'm pretty...
Yes, box dye realness.
Let me just get this on the Snapchat story, you know, so everybody knows. Got it. It's going on the story. Full disclosure, guys, I honestly have no freaking idea what I'm doing.
Yeah.
I've dyed my hair before, okay, so I know how to do that. I've skimmed some YouTube videos. Okay?
Perfect. That's a great start. Skim them.
I've looked at Pinterest. I've seen all the pins.
There you
I'm
go.
gonna read the instructions, but I'm really just kind of doing this.
That is all you need. As long as you've looked at Pinterest, watched a few tutorials by other people on YouTube who are not real hairstylists, that's all you need. Read some box dye instructions, you are ready to go, girl.
This is more of just like a ha ha ha, let's see if she can actually freaking do this video. So I don't exactly know what I'm doing. I've watched some
you don't
tutorials
say.
and I've seen some pictures. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to rubber band off sections of my hair. Here we go. I guess there's no turning back.
What is this? What is this?
Oh,
What
I'm
is
terrified. Why am I so afraid?
You should be.
There's no turning back now. Holy crap.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
In case she didn't know. Oh, what do I do about these
Wait, she's literally just doing a half inch
I'm just doing
of the
it.
tips of her
Who
hair.
needs to go to a salon when you can buy this thing for $8 and do it yourself?
You know, it might not be that bad because she put the ponytails in, so that way when the hair comes down, this hair from here is going to be at a different level from the hair up here, if that makes any sense. So it's going to give her kind of like an ombre feel, even though it won't be that good, but it'll still be like kind of an ombre. We'll see what happens.
I don't understand. Okay, so I've saturated the tips. I've put
Just
a lot
the
of
tip.
dye on the tips, and I'm going to let that sit for 10 to 12.
Oh, she's got a little technique
minutes.
here.
And then I'm
Okay.
going to go up a little bit higher and do that section, let that sit for about 5 minutes.
Oh,
and
this is actually really
see how it looks
interesting.
then. Guys, it's actually really making me nervous how dark this looks. Like, did they screw up and give me the wrong thing? Because this...
Oh, I just realized what's happening right now. This is not bleach. She got hair color. Hair color does not lift hair color. You can't put a lighter box hair color over an already existing color on your head. If you have color in your hair, color does not lift color. So this is gonna do probably nothing to her hair. Let's keep watching.
This doesn't look any lighter. Well, Anyways, it's been my allotted time, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go up a little bit higher. And
It's
I'm
literally,
gonna sit
it's turning
for
her
another
darker.
15 minutes.
You're probably
Okay,
gonna cry.
the time is up. It still looks really dark, and I'm really nervous about it. But I'm gonna go rinse the hair out because I'm not gonna leave this crap in my hair for like 3 hours waiting for it to get lighter.
It's not gonna
So I'm
do
go rinse it
anything.
out.
45 minutes is kind of like where it stops working, but your hair's not gonna process any more if you leave it on for longer than an hour. Nothing's gonna happen.
This is a lie. This is some grade A bull. You ready for this towel reveal, guys?
Yes.
Here we go. Here we freaking go. And here's my hair.
Oh,
Looks freaking dark. And
hold on. It actually looks kind of good. Why does it say fit? Why is she mad? What? It could have came out so much worse than this.
this is what I'm working with.
I like it.
I am thoroughly confused. And
What? I
I
mean,
followed the instructions.
it doesn't look that great, but like, it's not bad for an at-home ombre.
I think I'm coming to terms with the hair now. It's been about 3 hours.
Chelsea, if you're watching, you gotta use bleach next time. Alright, we got this next one by Korea Clip. Oh, Korea Clip. Oh, wait. Okay, so this brand, like, I don't know if you'll see what it is, but you basically clip it in your hair and you can like cut your own hair at home. And apparently you can use it to do an ombre. We're gonna have to see how this comes out. Okay.
Hi, I'm Mai Lu, inventor of the Korea Clip. Today, I'll
Yes,
teach you how
queen.
to color your hair.
She's
First,
about to go
flip the
in.
hair over and comb out any knots and tangles.
Wow, she's really gorgeous hair.
Holding the Korea Clip with the curve
And she's
facing
about to
down,
f it up.
hair closest to the root. Then slide the Korea Clip all the way down to the ends. If you want less color, then slide the Korea Clip further down.
Oh god.
Now apply color to all the hair
Oh
beneath the Korea
god.
Clip. We recommend to wear safety
No.
glasses to prevent color from getting into your eyes.
And she's not wearing any.
Continue to apply color on both sides, making sure you center
This looks
all
just like too much work, honestly.
clip,
Now get a friend to hold it for you while you color your hair.
making sure you apply
Okay,
color
queen.
on
Get
all
that saturation.
the clip. Here is the end result. I already washed and blow dried the hair to show you the color. With this technique, you can color the ends of your hair.
What is that?
Color on the ends of your hair. It
What
brings
is
out
that? What is that? Miss Korea Clip, why is there a highlight just right here? Just one. Just right there. Not even in the front of her head. It's like an inch back. She just has one bright highlight. And the ombre, literally nothing happened.
Next, I'll be showing you how I created this layered haircut.
Oh, please do. Please do.
Let me show you what the color looks like from the back.
Oh, even worse. Miss Korea Clip, let's just not do that anymore. What do you say? Let's go to a salon next time. Alright, we got Jasmine Rule up next. Let's see how she does.
What's up everybody, it's Jasmine and today
Hey.
I'm going to do a DIY balayage. So I have this Nordic blonde bleach thing. It's going to be cool metallic whitener silver blonde, which isn't really like what I want, but it's what we have. So
Great, because that's not how it's gonna come out. I promise.
last year I did a temporary black dye in my hair, and it's kind of like, I mean it's obviously washed out, but now I have like
No.
quite a chocolate brown down here, and then further up it's just sort of like a mousy brown. So I would like to go blonde, but then it's quite a bit of maintenance. So
That's right.
I'll do a DIY balayage, and big chance of it going wrong. So yeah, I gotta like tease their hair and then paint it on. Other people, they like take a strand and then they paint it on and then do it sort of lighter, like with a lighter hand.
She's got a little hair
Towards the
knowledge.
tip.
I like her
and
sectioning. A
they'll
diagonal
take,
back
a flat
section.
like this,
Love it.
And then they do like a V formation, saturating the bottom part.
Oh.
So I guess I'll probably try a couple different ways. Gotta get my gloves
Just
on first.
experiment on your own head.
A little bit
Why not?
nervous, obviously. So this one,
Okay.
we'll try the V thing.
Again, another person. I don't think she's using bleach. And it's not gonna lighten that much if she's not using bleach.
But once we get started,
But I like her technique.
I'll do some of it off camera.
Really though, this is not a bad technique for a person who's never ever done this before and she's doing it on her own head. It's not easy, and I like her paint strokes. They're not bad.
And then sort of saturate it more near the bottom.
I'm actually impressed.
It's not bad.
She's still gonna get a lot of spotting because her saturation isn't correct, but
It's any strain
I'm impressed.
like this. Apply it on.
She's putting in the work.
And then just sort of make it softer.
Wow.
Touch.
Little hairstyles on the rise here, huh? Huh, Jasmine? What's up, girl?
This one,
It got a little ratchet all of a sudden.
should be able to realize the part.
And it's not lightening at all because, again, we're using color, not bleach. What is going on here? What is going on? No, girl, comb your hair out before you put color on it. Oh no. You can't just color knots in your hair. It's gonna make it all spotty and weird. Girl.
It's only been like at least 10 minutes already, so I will come back and check in another
10
20
minutes?
minutes.
Oh, okay.
It still seems quite dark, so I'm going to leave it for another.
It's not gonna get any lighter.
We'll have to wash it off. It's time to rinse it off.
There seems to be a reoccurring theme in all these videos of their hair not getting light enough. You gotta use bleach, girls.
Let's say
Her hair looks good though. I think it's lightened a little
Get
bit.
it into a leather and then rinse it all off. It looks super awful. It looks
Again,
like
it's not that bad.
this. It looks like instead of sun-kissed, the sun has taken a golden shower on my head.
For how bad this could have gone, again, it's not that bad.
I guess I'll see you guys all next time. Hey,
So mad. So, one thing we can all take from those videos is that don't do an ombre or balayage at home. I mean, you know what? You can do other things to your own hair at home, but like balayage, ombre, those are super complicated and it's just gonna turn out wrong. Just really, really wrong. Don't try it, okay? Just don't. And if you're gonna try it, at least use bleach. Okay? That's all I ask. Just at least use bleach so like something happens to your hair. And today's Instagram shout out goes to Anna. This is her Instagram name and this is what she looks like. She says, "Hi Brad, first of all, I've been obsessed with your videos for a while now. I just love them so much. Thank you, babe. So as you can see, I have a pixie cut at the moment and I've always wanted long hair, but because it's so fine and thin, it just looks like poop. You feel me? Yeah, girl, I feel you. So I've been thinking about growing it to a bob or a long bob maybe. I would also like to dye it pink or blue, so I feel like it would look way better if it was a bit longer. Should I keep the pixie or should I let it grow a bit longer and dye it? Or maybe something completely different?" Okay, Anna, you need to keep your pixie. It looks so fierce on you. It just gives you like that edgy, cool girl vibe, you know what I mean? I think a chin length bob would also look amazing on you. I love the pixie. I think you should go even shorter, to be honest. Love it, you rock it. And also, pink for sure. You need to dye your hair pink. It's gonna look bomb, you better do it, okay? Alright, thank you guys so much for watching today. Don't forget to live your extra life, and I will see you all next time. Peace!